clouds to fly, where ancient stones still tell our story, a land of wonder, hope and glory.
From the sunrise over golden plains to mountain valleys kissed by rain, every road, every smile invites you to stay a while.
Come and see, come and feel the heartbeat of Africa. Come and dream, come alive. Zimbabwe is calling you. Welcome to Zimbabwe, land of beauty, land of light. Welcome to Zimbabwe, where every day feels so alive. Victoria Falls,
Hear the mighty river sing.
welcome to Zimbabwe, the jewel of Africa. Oh, Zimbabwe, 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 Zimbabwe.
Walk through Harare's shining streets, hear the rhythm and the people you meet. Kariba sunsets paint the sky, where dreams are born and spirits fly.
Bulawayo stands proud and strong. Bingo keeps the ancient song. From the wildlife roaming free to the warmest hospitality. Come and see, come and feel the heartbeat of Africa. Come and dream, come alive. Zimbabwe is calling you. Welcome to Zimbabwe,
Land of beauty, land of light,
welcome to Zimbabwe.
where every day feels so alive.
Victoria Falls,
Hear the mighty river sing.
welcome to Zimbabwe.
The jewel of Africa.
Mbira playing, children singing loud.